Hello again, this is Eric Willey, Product Manager for ViewSonic. We're introducing some of the new projector technologies that we're launching here at InfoComm 2018. The product you're looking at right now is an entry-level installation grade projector. So this is a full HD 1080p projector with 5,000 lumens. We call this model the PG800HD, and it's shipping right now currently. Part of the beauty of this product is while it's packed with features for the Pro AV installer, including a centered lens and vertical lens shift, it's at a very attractive price point, under $2,000. So you can pick this up today, $19.99, 5,000 lumen, 100,000 to 1 contrast ratio. And you can learn more about this product on our website at www.viewsonic.com.